We are looking at an enlargement when the scale factor is less than -1. Less than -1 will be -2, -3, -4, and so forth. How we know it's a negative enlargement? The object and the image are on opposite side of the center of enlargement. Okay, so when it's a negative scale factor, both the object and the image would be on opposite side of the center of enlargement. Okay. In the other video, when the scale factor was just +2, both the object and the image were on the right-hand side of the center of enlargement. In addition to being on opposite side of the enlargement, of the center of enlargement, the image would flip. So notice that R is here for the object, but R is on the opposite side here. Okay, so let's show you how we derive at this. So this is the object and -2. This is how we do it. From Q count 1 from the center of enlargement. So we count 2 times, 1, 2 in the opposite direction away from it. So from Q, we go towards it. From Q, we go towards the center of enlargement. But to find Q prime, we go away from the center of enlargement. So we go 1, 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. So here we find Q prime. For R, we go 1, 2, 3 towards the center of enlargement. To find R prime, we're going to do it twice because the scale factor is -2. So we go 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do it again. 1, 2, 3. So we find R prime. For S and P, we're going to do the across and down or up. So S goes 1, 2 across and 1, 2, 3 down. To find S prime, we're going to go across, but we're going to go across 2 times this 2. So it's going to be 4 times going across and then 4 times going up. Sorry, down. So we're going away from it. So we were coming towards it. Now we're going away from it to find the image. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2. I will do it again. 1, 2. Let me go again. So it's 2 and 1, 2, 3. Oh, so it's 4 and 6. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then for P, we're going towards it. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4 going across and 1 going up. 4 and 1. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. That's once, but the scale factor is 2, so we have to do it a second time. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. So we find P prime. So we just draw the broken line connecting the corresponding points, S to S prime and P to P prime. Easy cheesy. So now when the scale factor is less than -1, object and image are on opposite sides of the center of enlargement for negative enlargement, and the image would be flipped. The next thing, just like the positive scale factor, the image is 2 times away from the center of enlargement. So S, if Q, this is easy to see, if Q is one box away from the center of enlargement, Q prime would be 2 boxes away. So when I do it 1, 2, and 3 down, then I have to do it 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 down to support the times -2. So negative tells you that it would be on the opposite side of the center of enlargement and flip. And the 2 tells you it is 2 times bigger than the object. Let's do this question together. Okay, let me try and get this so that you can see it. All right. All right, here we go. So for this question, this activity, I label it KLMN. And so the scale factor is -2 and the center of enlargement is at 6, 11. So let me use, so 6 is here and 11 is here. So I'm going to label it COE, center of enlargement. So for the L, we go 1, 2, and 1 down. We're going to do it 2 times. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. So this is L prime. For M, we go 1, 2, 1, 2. We do it 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Does this look right? Okay, let's go again. This was 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Oh, yes, it's correct. Because if this is 1 box, then this will be 2 boxes. Okay, N will be 1, 2, 3, 4 above, then 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. This is where N